Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we'll be constructing the normal and tangent to the cycloid. In the previous two videos covering the topic, we constructed the cycloid and we actually plotted the cycloid as shown on the red line on the diagram. We'll be starting the video now. Next step now, we're going to draw a circle. So let me label this point O, single line text. I'm going to turn off object snap. Right here, this point will be O. So we have 6 millimeter height, rotational angle 0. This point is O. All right, so from O, we got this gives us our radius for a circle. So we're gonna go turn our object snap, intersection there, and that's the circle, enter. The line drawn from this would be Q. All right, so we're gonna go single line text to label this point Q. So we select here. The height would be 6, enter. The rotational angle will be 0, enter. And this will be Q. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line from P to Q. Turn on object snap to P. Going to turn off ortho. Enter. What we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line, a construction line out here so that we can extend the line, all right? Enter. We're going to type the command extend, enter. I'm going to extend this line that we drew from P to Q. All right, what we're going to do, delete this line and we're going to label now single line text. Starting point, we're going to turn off object snap. I'm going to select right here. Height will be 6. The rotational angle would be 60. I'm going to type normal. All right, so we're going to rotate the word normal. Base point. All right, so that's our normal. We're going to move it a little bit closer to the cycloid. Enter. We're going to draw the tangent to the normal, and the next step is to construct a 90-degree at P to the normal, okay? So we're going to zoom up so that we can see a little bit better. So we're going to go arc, center, start, end. We need to turn on object snap. We're going to pick up the point P as a center. The radius would be 15 millimeters. And we come right around like that. Good. We're gonna do the same where the semicircle intersect the normal. We're gonna draw an arc the same radius. So 15 millimeters, enter. We're gonna do the same thing again. So go start, center, start, end. This will be the center. The radius will be 15. Enter. I'll mark that. Where these two arcs intersect the semicircle, we're going to mark two more arcs. So we go center, start, end. Center is here. We're going to mark an arc 15. We're going to come back again. Center, start, end. We're going to mark an arc 15 millimeters. Where the two arcs intersect, that is 90 degree to the normal, which would form the tangent. So we go line from the intersection to the point P, enter. And then what we're going to do, we're going to extend the line to the left and to the right of P. So we're going to type extend, enter, and we're going to click on it. There it is. All right, there it is. All right, we're going to use a break command, all right? modify, break. So we select this line, enter, and the point we want to break it is at right here, enter. So let's go again. See, if you click on it, this part is a different line, so we can delete it. Just go. All right, what we're gonna do, we're going to extend it also to the other side. There it is, there. But we need to draw a line, a construction line out here to extend it to it. So we'll go here, there, enter. Then we're going to slide that, all right? So we're going to use the extend command to extend the line out towards the right of P. So type EX for the shortcut, press enter for extend. And when we click on it, it's supposed to extend. Let's draw another line out there. Maybe it's not tall enough. Enter. So we're going to type now extend. And when we click on it, it's supposed to, right, there it is. Good job. All right, so we're gonna delete this. See, was below that is why it wasn't extending. Okay, so if you're extending or not extending, the fence or the line isn't long enough. All right. It's still a little bit too short, but we're gonna see if we can label it nevertheless. All right, so we're gonna go. So we're gonna put this line on the outline so it becomes a little bit thicker. All right. All right, so we're gonna go single line text. Start, but we're gonna turn off object snap. We're gonna select here as a start. And we're gonna 6 mm height. Rotational angle looks like about 6 degrees. All right, so this is tangent. All right, we need to rotate it, okay? So we're gonna select the word tangent, which is the object. We're gonna select the base point, which is here, and we're gonna rotate it just like that. All right, we're gonna put the normal on the outline. All right, right. So this is our completed drawing for the Archimedes spiral. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the dimension on it to show you that it is actually. Let's turn on object snap. There to there, we're gonna turn on snap. All right, now we need to type dim style. I'm gonna go to modify. We want to make the dimension bigger. So we're going to go to make sure we go to fit if you're not on fit. I'm going to change from 1 to 3 and it will get larger. Press close. See, there it is. So it is correct. All right. So this is our tangent to the cycloid. Let us label the cycloid. I think I labeled it before. All right. So this would be our. Let us label it again. I think I labeled it already. Anyway, let's label it. So we're going to turn off snap. I'm going to come here. All right, so this is cycloid. All right, we're going to change the height from 4 to 6. All right, so let us highlight it. And then we're going to put 6 here. All right, there it is. All right, so this is our cycloid, normal and tangent. So good job if you followed along video. All right, let me put this word circumference here. And then I'm going to change this to circumference. Yes, I'm going to delete this. All right. So good job. So this is our cycloid. All right. So this is what our completed drawing would look like, showing all the constructions, right? But if you wanted just to see the finished product, this is what it would look like, okay? So the first one was the showing all the construction, and then the next one was showing the final product, final drawing with the constructions not shown, okay? So good job if you got it correct. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the normal and tangent to the cycloid which we constructed in the first two videos. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. We thank you for joining us. And in the next video, we'll be looking at circles, and we look forward to having you in that video. Thank you. Take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.